Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This exquisite mansion with a spectacular ocean view is nestled on 2 acres in the quiet upscale neighborhood of Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. It is just 5 minutes away from its private beach and golf course. This is a spacious, luxurious home featuring 10 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a gorgeous master suite with a penthouse vibes on the entire top floor with sitting room. This property being sold furnished is fully solar, has cameras, security and intercom system, backup generator, and features plenty space for entertainment, a gazebo by the pool, the lush gardens, or in the movie theater room. The entertainment level is equipped with a wet bar and music equipment that can comfortably accommodate 250 guests. This is a dream home or an amazing event venue or as tourist rentals. An excellent investment opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,690,000 or Jamaican $260.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.